This is round 3 of the duel between S and T.
I took round 1.
And I got round 2.
So yeah.
Yeah. Cut. You choose who goes first.
I'll go first.
Okay.
That was a bad choice. Oh my god. Alright, so set. Go ahead.
Okay, draw. Oh my gosh. Set 2. Borrow.
Bottomless.
Okay. Go.
Get right to the game. Set. Sacrifice. Sirocco.
Okay.
Attack.
Okay.
Alright. Your turn.
Set 1. Set. Go.
Alright. Draw. Lightning Vortex. Oh. That was a big misplay. Sorry about that. That never happened. Never happened. Set. Sirocco attack.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Eruption.
Don't misplay with that again.
I set my value.
Alright, I draw.
Yeah.
Attribute value for Sirocco.
Torrential.
Starlight.
Oh crap.
Your value's still there. Steve.
Huh?
Your value's still there.
Oh.
Just last a little more.
Oh crap. 1 second. I have a question.
Okay.
Let's start this. Okay, pay 100.
Sirocco.
1 second.
First I sync with value. With...
Can't sync with stars.
Has to be a non-tuna
yeah.
Blackwing.
You keep on forgetting that shit.
I know. Sirocco's attack.
Had that feel.
Sirocco's attack.
Okay.
Seymour just got slapped in the face.
Ow.
My tea. Yours truly.
Yeah. Okay, go ahead.
This thing has low batteries.
Okay.
Oh god.
But make this quick.
It will be.
Sirocco?
Okay.
Bottomless.
Okay.
Alright, my turn.
Oh my god. Yeah, go.
It's over. Attack.
Game.
Alright, so...
Okay.
Dude, what are you doing?